Many times I got to fall, my knees are praying. Some the time you can overcome, I'm still cruising my way. My people been robbed and killed for material things. Brainwashing and plagiarizing, it is their forte. But I read the book, the Holy Book, and I'm bargain by you. Stay away from jobs and guns and live my life. Good life, I'm not gonna fight no more. Far to go. The only thing I'm fighting for is to rule this. Silver and gold, the knowledge of Jah, who don't ever leave. Satan is a messenger. Trust in Jah is the only way. Put on the pole, you can be God any day. Satan is a messenger. This one called redesign. It's about time to realize they're not fulfilling their purpose. And as a people, we stand united to fight against all this. This one's for the leaders who are fighting war all the world. This one's for the leaders who are fighting war all the world. Think about those youths who are dying, crying out for love. Victims of the system, and they divide and rule and break us down, tear us apart. What is the future of the human race? How will the children grow to take our place? Where is the love that we should all embrace? I don't believe it's here for you and me, but this one's for who are fighting war all over the world. This one's for the who are fighting war all over the world. Imagine all the money that they spend on us, guns and bombs to destroy, while people are left hungry to die from wars, and those who dare survive are unemployed. What is the future of the human race? How will the children grow to take our place? Where is the love we should all embrace? I don't believe it's here for you and me, but this one's for the down in the Middle East. Russia and Ukraine, Israel and Palestine, down in the Congos, all over the world, in the South Seas. We appeal to all the leaders for all world war mongers to cease from all their cruel ways of living and their diabolic ways of living, but all their weapons of mass destruction. We beseech you, cease from all your wars and crimes and all the senseless blood been shed. Yeah. This one's for the